Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we're doing a Technic review, and this one's called a Fire Helicopter. And this was released in 1999 and has 210 pieces, and yes, one Mini Fig or Midi Fig that comes with it. Alright, that's the helicopter there. We'll just put that to one side. That's the box. Yes, I obviously got it from Big W back then. Can't quite see what I paid for it, but anyway, this the side right there, and it tells you you can add a motor to it. Actually, it gives you instructions for adding a motor to the top rotor, and that's it. That's the back, where you can buy these other two, and they actually connect with the others, and I'll show you what it's actually a unique Lego piece that does that. So I don't think they make it in any other sets, but just these three Technic sets. Okay, but yeah, I've got that. Not sure I have that. I think I might, but definitely got that. All right, we'll review it later. All right, cool stuff. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, that's the box. Box inside the box. Okay, that's the instructions. Now you had bags, different bags. You had 5 different bags for each group. And here's instructions for each one of them. And then you put it together right at the end, because they all just snap together using these pieces here. And that was it. That's the helicopter. And there's you can have different configurations. You take the pieces apart, and you can snap them in differently. There you go. Take that apart. And yes, it's flying very much differently. And here's the instructions for the motor. Take them all off. Put the motor together. And there we go. We got the motor. Again, there's the different sets that all link in together. It's in there. This is another one of these cards, so you can measure your axles or rods that came with it. This is a bit bigger, just advertising material. Different Technic sets, and cars. You got the slicers or robots, and then you can competition up there. Turning it around. Nice big display there. All these sets. And the different ways you can have it configured. And that's right. This is back in those days, 1990. Spare pieces, parts, you sent away. Service, yeah, you sent away if you're missing pieces or you wanted to get extra pieces or broken pieces. And that's it, right? And these, okay, that's the spare parts right there. Alright, and these are the bags that they came in. I don't have all of them. I think I threw out 2 that anyway, and then for that, I might as well keep them, but they're the different packets for the different sections of the helicopter. Alright. let's have a look at the helicopter. No, he's an okay, it's good, you know, cool helicopter. The only problem is a bit flimsy, because these parts that I'm talking about, they just pull out, and you can put them in any angle, right? And they just snap in like that. Top, and that's why you could. They just click in, very easy, very simple. That's why you could take the bottom off, and you could put it like that. If that wasn't in the way, but you couldn't. But that's it. It just clicks in. All right. So very unusual, unique. This is the Midi Fig or Mini. Yes, he's got stickers on him. That's a sticker there on his thigh, but that's printed piece. Okay, and his head there as well. Nothing on the back, but his legs can go sideways, feet can go all over the place, and so can the hands and everything else. So, and he sits in that seat. Come on, get it in there. All right, that's him. Nice. Now it has a couple of play features on this. All right, I mean that's a sticker. Yeah, that's a sticker, and that's a sticker with sticker and sticker. And okay, of course you can turn the rotor. It moves around a lot. That's the only down thing because of these pieces. Looks, you know, fashionable. Looks kind of modern. Little helicopter. Absolutely. Now the winch is really cool because it's got a lock on it, and it's all activated by the winch. If you look at the back, right, that piece there is a lock, right? Wind it goes up, winds it down. All right. See that, and then wind it up. Click, 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 click. Because it's got a little rubber band there that when you wind that back, it pushes that back. It's a lock. Like that. It's kind of cool piece there. They should have that on yeah, probably more helicopters with the winches. But that's it. It looks pretty good. It's for display really, but that's a cool little helicopter. All right, it's not bad. It looks good. Looks modern. Definitely looks good, I think. All right, so this is set number 8253. The fire helicopter, 210 pieces, one Midi or Mini Fig, and was released in 1999. And it's a Technic set, and that's what it is. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye.